your HTML elements, we have something inline text element. So what is that? As I mentioned that, okay, we have already learned that is the anchor tag. So anchor tag, what is that? It is the inline text, right? In the same line, what you are going to specify, that means what you are going to specify in the line, that means link, that will be linked with help of anchor tag. Next, you will be having something called ABBR tag. That is the ABBR elements. That means it's a simple, you can say that abbreviation. So say if you want how you write the paragraph normally in Microsoft Word, and you want that particular some abbreviation to be used, then you can use the element abbreviation. Okay, that means tag is opening and ABBR, and this element is used along with title attribute to associate a full text explanation. That means you have a something you want to explanation to be given, then you can use this ABR abbreviation tag. Next, already we have learned about BR tag, that means break tag. Whenever you want to break the line, okay, of a paragraph, then you can use BR tag. Then there is another tag is called as cite, okay, cite tag. That means it define the title of work. Suppose you want to define any title. You have seen that any website where you have a sample like a page way book will be there. In that book, title name will be there. Okay, so that title, when you want to define, then you have to use cite tag. Then you have something called as code tags. So code tags is a phrase tag. That means it will define a piece of some computer codes you want to define. That means how you write the code, HTML code. Then if you want to define that or C programming code in your HTML browser, then you have to use the code tag. Next, you have something called as EM tag, that is emphasize the text. How you make the similar, like bold, text will be bold, some different highlighting will be there. So when you want that, then you have to use the EM tag. Then mark, the mark tag defines marked text. That means you want to highlight the particular text. How I am just highlighting with the cursor. The same way, if you want to highlight the particular text, then you have to use mark tag. Like this, so many tags elements are there. You can use as per your web application requirement, but you have to learn all the tags. Next, you have something small. So I am writing the text, okay, and you want the text to be written into the small letter. Then what you will do? It is not possible, right? So we have to use a tag called a small tag. So it's a small tag will define the text, whatever you are going to write, it will be in a small text. A span, what is a span? That means the span tag is used to group inline elements. So whatever the inline elements you have in the document, that will be grouped using span tag. A strong tag, already we have seen that when you use the group tag, that sorry, strong, that means it will make the text as a bold text. Next, time, if you want to define the time in your HTML, then you have to use the time tag. A script, already we have seen. Then if you are using a script, then as any scripting language, that is obviously by default it will be a JavaScript. You have to define with the script tag. If you want image, then you are going to use with the image tag. That is the things what already few tags already we have practiced. And everyone, please use the following tags and practice it, write some more paragraph and use it. Next, yesterday already we have seen about the image tag, right? When you want to define the image on your HTML page, then what you have to do? You have to write the tag that is the IMG. img tag src is equal to source. Source is equal to, that means location, the image, particular image at which place you have stored. So I am storing in the image folder, and inside that I have the another image, that is centralpark.jpg. Already I have specified that you have to use the alt tag, alternative tag. So alternative tag, that means if any issue is there, image is not getting load, might be you have seen some of the website, when you open website and image is not getting load, then you will get the notification that some text will appear. So if you want that to be specified, then you are going to use alt tag, that is the alternative tag. Title tag, that means when you put the mouse over, okay, then title of the particular image should be specified. So how it will be there? You can use title tag, then it will be displayed. And already we have seen the height and width. As I specified, you can use pixel. Even if you not use pixel, or by default it will take height and width of image in pixel only. And generally, most in responsive template, we use the percentage. That is, it will get fit according to the screen size. Next, character entities. So there are special character symbol which we are going to use in the HTML document. Okay, and there is either no ways to type them via keyboard. Like I will tell you one thing. You have seen on the website, that is the copyright symbol, like written like this or something like this. Okay, so when you want this is a special character symbol that you have to use. So the next point, or which we have a reverse meaning in HTML, like tag. See, we study, we know that less than symbol. Okay, but this is actually not less than symbol in HTML. It is a tag, okay, which we have, that is a special character, it is there, entities which we are going to use in HTML. Here you have other tag, like if you want a space, as I shown you yesterday in the example, when I want to give the space between two character or two sentence, then what will happen? If you give the space, nothing will work. So when you want non-breakable space, then you have to use the character entities, that is ampersand symbol, NBSP, that means non-breakable space, and semicolon. You have to give this syntax, then only a space will be taken. If you want especially less than symbol to be used, then you have to use @LT, less than, semicolon. If you want greater than, ampersand, that is address of GT, greater than. If you want copyright symbol, ampersand, copy, semicolon. If you want trademark, then ampersand, trade, semicolon. And there are a lot of other character entities are also there. You can use as per your application. Here is the example. You can see there. As already we have said, as per the space, less than, greater than, ampersand you want, then you have to give ampersand AMP. If you want in number, then ampersand #38 semicolon. Similarly, if you want the symbol register, trademark, copyright, euro symbol, yen, cent, okay, single quote, double quote. So for everything, there is the character entities which you have to use in your HTML code. You cannot write simply this symbol. Might be you will using this symbol, maybe in some other browser it will not work. That's why we have to use this character entity in the HTML code.